will teach you about an awesome website called Quizlet. As you can see right here, the 90% of students who use Quizlet report higher grades. So we want to utilize this website in order to help us gain more knowledge because remember, in our classroom is the place where the knowledge grows. So in order to sign up, you simply click sign up. You go through the regular filling in your general information, and once you have done that, you click sign up, and you will be able to utilize the Quizlet website. I have already signed myself up. I have an account. So generally, we take our general knowledge quizzes on paper. We pass them out, and you guys fill them in. But today, I will show you how we will do that electronically or using the internet. So, um, on our website here on Quizlet, you can hit create. This will allow you to create flashcards per se. They're like flashcards that offer. Um, oh, it's asking me to sign in. Sure, I will sign in here. Log in. Log in with Google. That's what I use. I use a Google account. Okay, log in with Google. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to load. Okay, so we are able to now create a new study set. You can type the title here. We will type general knowledge. Okay, this is spell check that. There we go. Okay, so that's the title. And here you will enter the terms, and here will be definition. So in our case, since we're doing questions, we will enter the question here, and here will be the answer. So here we go. First question is, what gas do humans need to live? Okay, and we will type in the definition our answer, which is oxygen. All right. Second term or second question. What country has the longest border with the US? Okay, I need to fix that L there. All right, so there we go. And the answer is Canada. There we go. Third question. Who invented the light bulb? Let me know. That's Thomas Edison. So we can continue. We can continue to type in our questions, or we are just going to. I'm going to add a number here so I know which number it is. So we can continue adding terms or adding questions, and then we click create to allow this set to be viewed. Okay, create. On this website, you're allowed to share the set you just created. We don't need that now. So you can use the flashcards we just created by clicking flashcards. And here, so it's asking us which term, which answer is belonging to this. So, what gas do humans need to live? And then we click to see the definition, and it's oxygen. Okay, so this is how we use this feature to continue. Click next. Canada. What was the answer for Canada? What country has the longest border with the US? Border is misspelled, so we would have to go back and fix that. But so this is how we use the flashcard feature. There's other features on this website you can use. You can click any of these available features. Here you click to actually learn the set that you created. So it will ask you a question, and then you work with yourself, and you click. Let's see. Click here for learn. Who invented the light bulb? This is the question posed, and then you click the answer. If you think it's Thomas Edison, you click that. If you think it's oxygen, obviously you click that. But we will click Thomas Edison, and it will tell us we did that correctly. So this is another tool that we will use in our classroom to learn and to grow knowledge. And that is all.